Hey guys, what's going on? Katie Day with the movemetotx team at Coldwell Banker. Today we are at 8200 Washington Avenue at Railway Heights, the newest nextseed project. Can't wait to show you guys around.
Hi, my name is On. I'm with the Company of Nomads. We opened up the first food hall in Houston called Conservatory. Then we opened up the first chef hall called Beverage Chef Hall. And this is our third project and the most important project called Railway Heights Market. Basically, it's a 40,000 square foot community with retail, restaurants, bars, and a lot of community-focused programs that the community can be involved in. Railway Heights basically is going to open 2020 in the second quarter, and our goal is to tell the story of Houston.